Alright, so welcome back to White House Farm. What we're working on today is replacing these rear struts. And there's only 3 bolts to them. We got one down here, the big one, and then we have 2 up there. So let's go ahead and get into this. Alright, so first thing we're going to do is compress the spring here to take tension off the strut there. And with a 13 mil, we're going to remove those 2 nuts up there. There's one. And there's 2. So next thing we want to do is take an 18 mil and get that bolt out. We're going to put a little heat on there because I don't feel like replacing the bolt. Give it a try. Yep, there it goes. There we go. Now we can remove this. So we'll remove the dust cap on here. And now we need to take this nut off. We'll use a set of pliers and hold on to this, and we'll twist that nut off. That's a 17 mil. And if you have a ratcheting wrench, works a lot better. You don't have to keep doing this. Should take that off there now. Nope. Take this off now. And remember the order that this goes in. Okay? So you take pictures or whatever if you're not filming it. Now we can take the nut off the top here. Take these off. And now we'll go ahead and start reassembling. Now we want to put our sleeve over this. Alright, so now that we got the cover on here, we're just going to work backwards here. Stuck to there. That comes off. That goes on here just like that. And now we got our bushings here. And there's the top one. So here's our new ones. Put that there. And that part's going to go down here. Squish them together just like that. And we put this piece back on here like that. Now we got a new top washer. Set that on here like this. And we'll thread this on by hand. And that's what it should look like when it's all put back together. And we're going to use a 14 mil and some vice grips to go ahead and start driving that nut down, and then we'll torque it down. Just pinch the tip. Alright, so now that we got it started, it's on there pretty good. We're going to go ahead and torque it down to 22 foot-pounds. And you may need to squeeze the boot like this to hold the center there so it doesn't spin, because there's really no way to hold the top here and get the nut on. So we'll torque this down to 22 foot-pounds. There we go. Alright, once that's torqued down, just go ahead and give it some squeezes. Make sure it's doing what it's supposed to do. Now you want to replace the dust cap up here. Put this back on. Just like that. Alright, so the welded nut side is going to be on the right here. And we're doing the passenger side right now, so I'm sure it'll probably be opposite for driver's side. So we'll get this lined up, and we'll go ahead and get our bolt started. Alright, so we got the nuts. We went ahead and jacked this up, got it lined up, and got the nuts started by hand. Put together, we'll go ahead and torque this bottom bolt down to 66 foot-pounds. There we go. So that's torqued down now to 66 foot-pounds. And if you can get a torque wrench up here, we're gonna tighten those down to 20 foot-pounds. All right, so we are all set now, and you're basically gonna repeat the same thing for the other side. So we're all set here, so make sure you like, subscribe, check out our videos on everything we do here on the farm and the vehicles and everything. Hit that subscribe button, hit that like button, and as usual, we'll see you on the next one. Bye, guys.
can't say goodbye without saying goodbye to me.
All right, Olaf. We'll see you on the next one. All right. Bye, Obo.
Hi, guys.